Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, the Jamaica Cricket Association will have to shoulder more responsibility as it gets ready for Wednesday's start of the regional 4-day season. This according to CEO Courtney Francis. While Sabina Park will be back to hosting matches, Francis says those in rural Jamaica will not be left out. Jerome Foster reports.
The remnants of not bidding for any matches in this year's T20 World Cup to be staged jointly by the Caribbean and the United States has created a wave of matches for Jamaica in the upcoming regional 4-day season. TVJ Sports cameras spotted late preparation work on Monday as the ground staff worked feverishly in overcast conditions. It's been 4 years since the nation's shores was graced by first-class cricket, but there's a level of eagerness of seeing the region's best showcasing their skills.
We are prepared as best as we think we can. One of the challenges that we are having is that Sabina Park holding since the last staging is now significantly reduced as a company. So a lot of those responsibility now is subsumed over into the Jamaica Cricket Association. So therefore it comes with its own challenges, but we are prepared for it. The company Sabina Park Holdings has been reduced significantly as it relates to its staffing. The company is they're trying to wind up the company, so I figure within short order it may be just a shell company. But all those responsibilities of running the park and having those challenges as now in with the JCA. So therefore we have more work now with the same or less staff.
5 rounds of matches will be played in Jamaica, with Sabina Park, Chedwin Park and Kensington Cricket Club hosting in the first 3 rounds. There will be a break after the first 3 rounds, and though it has not yet been hammered down, it appears Trelawney, which hosted the last regional contest to be played in Jamaica, could be back in the fold.
Trelawney is in contention. Consideration was given for it. The West Indies Cricket Board sent out a team of persons here initially. Trelawney was one of the venues that they had checked. Trelawney, they checked in St. Ann, Kaiser. They checked our next venue in St. Ann. They checked venues all over the country. However, though, based on logistics and the costing, then they made a determination that these would have been the venues for the first 3 rounds of matches.
While there's a level of eagerness, Francis says there's a concern from Cricket West Indies regarding Jamaica.
Well, the budget is CWI's budget. They send the resources, and like with everything else, you know, when the actual costs hit them, they're saying that things are very expensive here in Jamaica, which is the reality. But we are trying to work through things as best as we can. We are like the facilitator to ensure that cricket is here. We need the cricket too, to see how ready we are and to see how best we'll be able to host international games then thereafter.
The Jamaica Scorpions will take on Windward Islands Volcanoes at Sabina Park on Wednesday, while Barbados Pride square off with the combined campuses and colleges at Chedwin Park. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.